Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this super cool glow-in-the-dark DIY ghost slime. I wanted to show you all the ingredients that we are using in this video, which I'll list below in the description too, and I can even post some links so that way you can buy it all online. If not, your local craft store should literally carry everything here, but the laundry starch, we found it at a local grocery store. To a large bowl, add in 2 bottles of ELMERS glue, which is 2 8-ounce bottles worth. Now add in 1 cup of liquid starch. Add in 1 tablespoon of glow-in-the-dark acrylic paint, so that will make it super glowy. Now add in a full bag of googly eyes to your mixture. And go ahead and get a spoon and start mixing it and mixing it. Keep going until it's fully combined. It should take some time. As you can see right here, it's starting to emulsify together, which you want. You want it to look really slimy and gross. You know, like those slimes back in the days where you just like kind of pull it and it kind of flops down the floor? Yeah. Now we're just kneading it with our hands, kind of emulsifying it together with our hands, kind of giving it some texture. That helps too, because then you can feel if it's still sticky. Keep molding it together and keep whooping it around. And it is completely normal to be somewhat sticky, but look at that. Nothing's sticking to my fingers. Them eyeballs are looking at me. And it looks beautiful. Now I know I said add a full pack of googly eyes, but I did save some because I really want to decorate the mason jar. I'm using some tacky glue and putting some eyeballs on top because then I'll remember this is the slime jar for my boys. You know what? Decorating jars is just super fun, and tacky glue keeps it on really well and it sticks for like ever, and it's really hard to rip off. Now go ahead and pick up that slime and start putting it into that mason jar, because that's where the slime is going to start sleeping and living out right now, for now. And you know what? Look at that. It just feels cool. It's amazing. I can't wait till you make it because it just feels so amazing. It even makes silly little sounds when you press on it. Now look at that awesome friendly ghost slime looking right at you. Isn't that awesome? Let's go test it out. So grab a flashlight from your phone, or get a flashlight from underneath your sink and charge it in the light. Turn off the lights and look at that. Isn't that so cool? Now I'm going to be obsessed with charging it underneath the light, because if you charge it, it makes it glow extra long time. I love it. I hope you get making it. Let me know if you have any questions, and you have a wonderful day. If the comments are some reason not turned on because of YouTube, please go ahead and message my Instagram or Facebook, and I will be so happy to answer your questions.